Moen's new Roman tub valve technology not only streamlines CC installations, it also makes PEX and CPVC connections even easier. Mark and drill two 1.5-inch diameter holes in the deck for the valve bodies and a 1 3/8-inch hole for the spout shank. Each hole should be no closer than 5 inches apart on center. Allow no more than 6 inches from the inside edge of the tub to the center line of the hole for the spout shank. For this demonstration, we've opted for a thin deck setting using Moen Roman Tub Valves with integral PEX connections. After you've drilled your holes, thread the mounting nut onto the hot valve body, then drop the washer onto the grooves, points facing up. Installation is virtually intuitive. With the two bottom mounting nuts and washers in place on the valve bodies, the valves are slipped into position. While above deck, the top mounting nuts are threaded onto the valve bodies. Make sure the O-ring is in place on the spout shank and insert the shank into the housing just past the notches on top. Align the flats on the shank with the notches on the housing. Slip the shank through the hole in the deck. Then secure the spout shank to the housing by inserting the tabs of the retaining clip into the notches on the housing. Place the mounting nut on top of the shank housing with a step facing downward. Thread the top mounting nut until it bottoms out on the retaining clip. Finish up by tightening all the bottom mounting nuts, then snug with channel locks. Now you're ready to make the final height adjustment for the planned installation. Here's another great feature. For finished deck installations, simply push the shank until it bottoms out and tighten the expansion nut. Use a 6-inch by 3/8-inch square drive socket extension to lock the shank at the proper height. Thick or thin decks, it takes less than a minute. Below deck, the final steps for a PEX installation are fast and flexible. With the PEX supply lines connected and crimped in place, simply attach the Quick Connect hose assembly to the spout shank and valve bodies. Our exclusive design easily accommodates offset configurations or handles that are up to 20 inches apart. Push the fittings from the hose up until they bottom out on the shanks. Two O-rings ensure a peace of mind seal under the deck. Insert a clip on either side and push until you hear it snap in place. Most PEX installations can be completed in less than 10 minutes. The PEX Roman Tub Valve can also be installed with PEX at all connections for those custom installations beyond the reach of Moen's Quick Connect hoses. The valves can also be connected to CPVC pipe by using the CPVC transition fittings included in the box. Simply attach the fittings to the valve inlets and secure them with the Quick Connect retaining clips. Then glue to your CPVC pipe. The PEX Roman Tub Valve can also be installed with CPVC at all connections for those custom installations beyond the reach of Moen's Quick Connect hoses. Installing trim is a snap. For convenience, one handle adapter fits all applications regardless of deck thickness. For valves installed on top of the finished surface, cut the handle adapter 1 to 2 notches from the top. If the handle doesn't sit flush on the deck, cut one more section off the handle adapter. If the job involves installing valves after the surface is finished, Moen makes that easy too. This is recommended with marble, granite, or when the finished deck is greater than 1 1/4 inches. Above deck, slide the assembled valves and spout shank into the holes from the top down and secure with the bottom mounting hardware. With the flexible hoses and Quick Connect fittings you've seen earlier, working in tight spaces below deck is also manageable. Moen makes Roman tub installation easy, regardless of deck thickness or mounting hole configuration. And no one else offers a valve designed for both PEX or CPVC connection. There's a reason why Moen is the #1 faucet brand in North America, trusted by more professionals and consumers alike, and backed by our limited lifetime warranty. Moen, buy it for looks, buy it for life.